Now, let's understand how to create quotes in DocuProjects CRM. Once a user has created a lead, they can navigate to the CRM module, and under that, go to Deals and Quotes. From here, click on Add Deal. Under the deal, the user needs to search for the lead. For example, the lead we created, Pedals LLC. Once selected, the user can enter the deal name, choose the deal stage, and define the proposal period. The proposal period options are already available, such as one-time, monthly, semi-yearly, yearly, 2 years, or 3 years. Next is the status, whether the deal is cold, warm, hot, won, or lost. And then the expected closing date, which is simply an estimated date. If the deal is in the base currency, it will automatically appear here. The base currency is defined by the administrator during system setup. So this is not a default currency. For example, if USD is set by the administrator, it will appear here. Otherwise, it will reflect your configured base currency. However, the user can choose a different currency from the drop-down. The moment a different currency is selected, the system will prompt for the conversion rate. For example, if AED is selected and USD is the base currency, the user can enter the AED to USD rate, such as 0.27. Once this is set, the user can proceed to add products. All products already configured in the system will appear in the list. If a product is not available, the user can add it directly. The pricing will be auto-filled, but it can be edited as required. The user can also apply a discount, and if VAT is applicable, it will be added by default. However, VAT can be removed if needed. Next is the payment terms and conditions, which is a mandatory field. For example, the user can define terms such as 50% upfront and 50% after 6 months. Once everything is filled, the user can review the total amount and click Save Deal. After saving, the deal will appear on the Deals page, typically at the top based on the latest update. The user can view the deal name, lead name, and use filters such as cold, warm, or hot to navigate through deals. Once ready to proceed, the user can click on Create Quote. The quote is generated instantly. The user simply needs to select the expiry date and click on Finalize. After finalizing, the system enables options to download the quote in PDF or Word format, or to send it directly to the customer. When clicking on Send to Customer, the system automatically fetches the primary contact email from the lead. The user can add CC recipients and also configure reminders, for example, every 2 or 3 days. Based on this, the system will automatically send reminder emails to the customer. Once everything is set, click on Send Email. Pause here briefly, as sending may take a few seconds. After that, the quote is successfully sent. At any time, the user can return to the Deals page and see that the quote is finalized. If changes are required or a new quote needs to be created, the user must go back to the deal and click on Edit. After making the necessary updates and saving the deal, the quote status will change to Quote Not Finalized. The user can then recreate the quote, finalize it again, set the expiry date, and resend it to the customer. Once the deal is negotiated and confirmed, it must be marked as won. This is important. Unless the deal is marked as won, the system will not allow invoice generation. After marking the deal as won, it becomes available for the finance team under the Invoice module, specifically in Generate Invoice. And that completes the quote creation process. In the next video, we will walk through how to generate and send invoices.